The term most dangerous men in history is subjective, as it can refer to those who caused immense harm through their actions, whether on a global scale or within specific contexts. Below are some figures who are often considered among the most dangerous due to their impact on history. 1. Adolf Hitler, 1889-1945. 1. Roll, dictator of Nazi Germany. 2. Danger. Hitler's aggressive expansionism and genocidal policies led to World War II, the deaths of over 60 million people, and the Holocaust, in which 6 million Jews were systematically murdered. 2. Joseph Stalin, 1878-1953. 1. Roll, leader of the Soviet Union. 2. Danger. Stalin's totalitarian regime was marked by widespread purges, forced labor camps, gulags, famine, for example, the Holodomor in Ukraine, and the Great Terror, leading to millions of deaths. 3. Mao Zedong, 1893-1976. 1. Roll, founding father of the People's Republic of China. 2. Danger. Mao's policies, including the Great Leap Forward and the Cultural Revolution, caused widespread famine, persecution, and the deaths of tens of millions of people. 4. Genghis Khan, c. 1162-1227. 1 Roll, founder of the Mongol Empire. 2. Danger. Genghis Khan led the Mongol hordes in a series of brutal conquests across Asia and Europe, resulting in the deaths of millions and the destruction of entire cities and cultures. 5. Pol Pot, 1925-1998. 1. Roll, leader of the Khmer Rouge in Cambodia. 2. Danger. Pol Pot's radical communist policies led to the Cambodian genocide, where approximately 1.7 to 2 million people died from starvation, forced labor, and executions. 6. Vlad the Impaler, 1431-1476. 1. Roll, Voivode of Wallachia. 2. Danger. Known for his brutal methods of impaling enemies and suspected traitors, Vlad's reign was marked by extreme cruelty and violence, earning him a notorious reputation. 7. Ivan the Terrible, 1530-1584. 1 Roll, first Tsar of Russia. 2. Danger. Ivan's reign was characterized by ruthless military campaigns and a reign of terror against the nobility, including the massacre of Novgorod, where thousands were executed. 8. Osama bin Laden, 1957-2011. 1. Roll, founder of Al-Qaeda. 2. Danger. Bin Laden orchestrated the September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks, which killed nearly 3,000 people and sparked global conflicts, including the U.S. wars in Afghanistan and Iraq. 9. Attila the Hun, c. 406-453. 1. Roll, leader of the Huns. 2. Danger. Known as the Scourge of God, Attila led devastating campaigns across Europe, causing widespread destruction and contributing to the decline of the Roman Empire. 10. Leopold II of Belgium, 1835-1909. 1. Roll, King of Belgium. 2. Danger. Leopold's exploitation of the Congo Free State for personal gain led to the deaths of millions of Congolese people through forced labor, disease, and starvation. These figures are considered dangerous due to the immense suffering and death they caused, often on a large scale. Their legacies are reminders of the destructive power of unchecked authority and ideologies.